yesterday, Fabulous. Today I'm doing a full face makeup with all the newly bought makeup products. So I had already moisturized my face very well with the Nivea lightweight moisturizer. I have very oily skin, so I always make sure that I prep my skin really well. Even oily skin needs a lot of prepping and nourishment. So first and foremost, I am going to start with the Daily Life Forever All Matte Base. So it has a gel consistency, as you can see very well. Quite smooth. We'll spread it nicely so that it soaks in very well. So basically it's an all matte base, so my face is going to stay matte because I have very oily skin. Moving on to the foundation, I am using the L'Oreal Paris 24-Hour Infallible foundation, and this is in the shade Caramel Beige. I have still not opened the seal of this. So this is again, I think it's a demi matte foundation, and it gives a demi matte finish. I'm going to blend it with this beauty blender. The coverage is, I feel, decent. Not a full coverage foundation though. So you always have to dab your beauty blender. Just don't wipe it off, otherwise the entire foundation is going to come off. I think it has a decent coverage. Moving on to my eyebrows, I will first just brush them with a spoolie. For my eyebrows, I am using the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer, and this is in the shade Felix Onyx. So it has a spoolie at one end, and then you have the pencil at the other end. So I will just fill in my eyebrows. So for everyday use, I think eyebrow pencils are really good because they save a lot of time, and your eyebrows also will be done in a couple of minutes. So it is up to you what kind of, whether you want to make them quite bold or you want to go with a very light look. It all depends on you. So far I feel it's doing well, quite pigmented also. For the liner, I am using the Swiss Beauty Jet Black Eyeliner pen, and this is their bold felt tip eyeliner. felt tip, quite precise. So it depends on you whether you want to go with a wing or I think I would go with a light wing. Quite easy to use eyeliner pins. Again, they don't take much of time. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal waterproof mascara. This is how the wand is. Wow, it's really capturing each and every eyelash so well. So I was already using their Lash Sensational Mascara. I will just apply a little bit on my lower lash. Moving on to the bronzer, I'll be using the LA Girls Shimmer Bronzer. Oh my god. This is superbly pigmented. Oh my god. So you don't need any highlighter. My goodness, this is insanely pigmented. Next, I'm going to move on with the blush. So for the blush, again I'm using LA Girls So Cheeky blush palette, and from here I am going to use the peachy shade for my cheekbones. I'm using the golden highlighter. Applying on my brow bones, on the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. Moving on to the lips, I am using the Chambor Extreme Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade 406. Quite long wearing lipsticks. So I am back after completing my hair look. So this is the final look I have done using all the makeup products that I had recently bought. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you guys want me to do any other kind of videos of your liking and choice, you are always welcome to drop in the comment section below. I will always be very happy and pleased to come up with such videos. If you have still not liked and subscribed to my channel Defabulicious, please take a moment to like and share. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.